Speaking practice is the heart of learning English because speaking is not only about knowing words, but about using those words with confidence in real-life situations. And when a learner practices speaking every day using common phrases, the fear of English slowly disappears and the voice becomes stronger and clearer. So the first lesson in speaking practice is to start with basic greetings like good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and polite questions like how are you? How is your day? And what are you doing? Because these phrases open conversations and make you sound friendly. And after greetings, the next lesson is learning how to respond properly by saying I am fine, I am doing well, not bad, or I am okay, which helps the conversation continue smoothly. And then learners should practice polite words such as please, sorry, excuse me, and thank you, because these words show respect and good manners and are used in every situation. And after that, learners must practice asking for help by using phrases like, can you help me? Can you explain this? I don't understand. And please say it again, because asking questions is a powerful speaking skill. And when learners feel comfortable asking questions, they start learning faster. And the next lesson in speaking practice is learning daily life phrases such as, I am going to work, I am coming back, I am waiting, I am busy right now, and I will call you later, which are used again and again in real conversations. And then learners should practice expressing feelings and opinions by saying, I like this, I don't like that, I feel happy, I feel tired, I think this is good, and in my opinion, this is better, because expressing feelings helps learners speak naturally instead of memorizing sentences. And another important lesson is pronunciation and confidence. So learners should speak slowly, clearly, and loudly, without fear of mistakes, and they should repeat sentences many times, even if they sound funny at first, because repetition trains the mouth and tongue to speak English smoothly. And learners should practice speaking in front of a mirror, with friends, or even alone, because practice is practice no matter how you do it. And one more important lesson is using English in real situations like shopping, traveling, meeting people, or talking on the phone by using phrases such as how much is this? Where is the restroom? I am looking for this place. Nice to meet you. And can I talk to you for a minute? And when learners practice these common phrases daily, their confidence grows, their hesitation reduces, and their thinking starts happening in English instead of translating from their own language. And slowly they become comfortable speakers who can communicate clearly, naturally, and confidently in English.